that there are more than 150 ISI officials in Pakistan embassy in Kabul. Taliban's entry in Kabul has come as a major victory for Islamabad. Immediately after Taliban coming into power, ISI deployed its covert and overt cadre in Kabul. This cadre is to safeguard Pakistan's interest and spread terror across the world. According to sources close to Amrullah Saleh, there's a presence of ISI cadres in all provinces, including Kabul, Kandahar, Mazar, Jalalabad and Panjshir. CNN News 18 has accessed a list of 166 ISI operatives in Kabul. This is the latest information that we are bringing you, and this is exclusive input by Manoj Gupta that the sources close to Amrullah Saleh have informed CNN News 18 that there are more than 150 ISI officials in Pakistan embassy in Kabul. We have Siddhant joining us this morning. Siddhant, give us more details about this exclusive input by Manoj Gupta.
Well, that's right. So Manoj Gupta is reporting for us that ISI has deeply penetrated inside Kabul. In fact, more than 150 ISI in Pakistan embassy Kabul, and this is what Amrullah Saleh is claiming. Taliban entry to Kabul has been a major victory of Islamabad. Immediately after Taliban coming into power, ISI deployed covert and overt cadre in Kabul. This cadre is to safeguard Pakistan's interest to spread terror across the world. Presence of ISI cadre are in province, not in Kabul only, but in Kandahar, Mazar-e-Sharif, Jalalabad and Panjshir province. Remove Indian proximity sentiments from Afghan media, prime objective of ISI. So even if there is some goodwill, positive opinion generating for media in the media, then that ISI they give effort to move it. Now we have a list of 166 ISI operatives in Kabul. And in fact, sources close to Amrullah Saleh also tell this to Manoj Gupta that these officers are in suits and salwar kameez. They always wear their traditional attire. These ISI officers are close to some of the leaders also, like Mullah Abdul Qadir, Mullah Javed Tajmeen, Maulvi Nadeem, Mali Khan, and the other militia associates with Siraj Haqqani network. So this is the same Haqqani network which America treats as enemy. In 2022, the ISI, in fact, facilitated a financial payment of $5 lakh for Fasehuddin Setrat to procure a residence in Kabul. Earlier also, when ISI had orchestrated his medical evacuation by helicopter from Chitral. So even the top sources top sources also tell us that Pakistan is active because they want to, or they also want to counter the TTP spreading its wings in Afghanistan. So that is also what ISI agents are doing in Afghanistan. Now, top intel sources tell Manoj Gupta that these are strong claims by Amrullah Saleh with documents and proof. It's over to Taliban to find out these operatives and remove them from their soil. They have promised the word that their soil won't be used ever for any clandestine activity. In fact, that's the commitment which India received from Taliban during the last meeting of Foreign Secretary with the acting Foreign Minister of Taliban, that they do understand the sensitivities of India when it comes to security-related matters. Taliban should find the real minds behind them. So this is what the Amrullah Saleh and others demand.
Right, Siddhant. With the point that you were making just now, could the presence of these ISI operatives in Afghanistan exacerbate tensions between Pakistan and its neighboring countries, particularly with the relation to India?
Well, absolutely, because India has historical ties with Afghanistan. In fact, before the Taliban regime taking over the country, the kind of work that India has done in Afghanistan, from building libraries to the parliament, coming up with the other projects, perhaps says, and Afghanistan also understands it very well, that India could be the development partner for Afghanistan, has been the development partner, could again be the development partner after Taliban taking over the country. And also the kind of assistance India has been sending through Sabar Port, humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan. Indian technical teams are already in Afghanistan to review the technical assistance, the help that Afghanistan government, Taliban government needs. So this is not being liked by Pakistan. Pakistan doesn't like India and Afghanistan coming closer. And that is perhaps the reason that these ISI agents are keep conspiring against India by sitting in Afghanistan with the warlords and with some of the groups related to the Haqqani network. They try to dismantle, they try to remove the goodwill that India creates in Afghanistan. So Pakistan never wants India to be friends with Afghanistan, and perhaps they are using ISI for it. But now this Taliban regime understands that who is more useful for them, who is spreading terror, and who will bring development to their country. And this is the reason that in just 1 year there has been a 3 high-level meeting, and the last meeting that Indians and Taliban had was at the foreign secretary level, and the acting foreign minister represented Taliban delegation. The meeting happened in Dubai. So talks about how both sides are building confidence. Confidence, and India has again committed its readiness for the development of Afghanistan.
Thank you, Siddhant, for adding more perspective